Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to write YouTube scripts using ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT on your browser. Next, define your video topic clearly. For example, how to make money online or productivity tips for beginners. Then type a prompt like write a YouTube video script about the topic with an engaging hook, main points, and outro. And ChatGPT will generate a complete structured script including the hook, the intro that grabs attention, main content, the step by step explanation, and call to action or like and subscribe message. You can also improve it by asking, make it more engaging and viral, shorten it to 1 minute, or add a storytelling style. And after that, edit the script to match your speaking style and audience. And finally, use the script for your YouTube videos and start creating content faster and easier. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.